K7000 repair for v1point0 on the K-Live forums. As you can see, chassis looks nice. I've adjusted it to my tube. Ignore the snow. That was my test station. Took me a little while to track down this issue. Took out parts, tested parts, all kinds of things. Came down to he had a bridge solder joint. It must have been from a reflow on the chassis or changing a part on his end. Don't know, but either way, it's fixed. It looks nice. Tested all the controls. It's been running for a little while now. All the colors are good. All the adjustments work. So as you can see, there it is.